Welcome back, guys. This is Alex from Explore with Alex. I hope everybody's doing great. Well, I'm going to show you something that I always wanted to do to this SUV, and I built a platform. I'm going to show you how I did that. I always wanted to go camping, but actually in a car. So I'm going to do car camping. And I did this platform. It came out so well. I did check out some videos online, and it was really easy and economical and fun to do. Also, I'm going to show you where I went to camp just for one night. I went fishing, I saw a coyote, and I had a really wonderful time. Dixon Lake, that's where I went. Dixon Lake is beautiful. I really recommend this place. Also, rangers would come like every 2 hours, check on everybody. They did their rounds every 2 hours, and again, there's no bugs there. I mean, there's bugs everywhere, guys, but at least there wasn't roaches like Lake Paris, which I had a really bad time there. But here, I really had a wonderful time. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Please give it a thumbs up. That way my channel grows and I can actually show you more places to go, more options. Please, and help me out. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Leave me a comment. I'll always respond back to you guys. I love you. Take care, and I'll see you next time. So guys, before going camping, I'm going to show you how I'm building a platform for my SUV. This design is very simple and cheap, and it looks great, very solid and extremely comfortable. First thing I'm going to do is remove this part here, which is the actual bottom seats. And in the FJ Cruiser, I'm just going to remove these knobs, and then you can pull this out completely like this. So I'm removing this part here. Once I place the seats down, I notice there's a bump, so it's not straight. So I had to build a platform to level it down. My next move is to go to the nearest hardware and get all the materials. With so many choices of plywood to choose from and prices, wasn't sure what to get, but my friend who's helping me do this job told me to get 3/4 of an inch, at least for it to be sturdy. Once I got my plywood, I decided to go buy all the nails and hinges and carpet. And this is gonna go on there. Next, I needed to pick out a carpet. Didn't know what to choose from with so many choices, but I actually picked one that really worked for $22 a roll. Then I headed out to my friend's house to help me with this job. So next we're gonna do the carpet, and we're gonna carpet this whole thing. Okay, so far we stapled all 3 sides. We just need that one side over there. Carpeting the plywood came out so good. There we go, so we're done. So I'm able to put stuff in between the 2 seats, the front seat and the back seat. So we cut the 2x4s about 28 inches, almost 28 inches. And those are gonna go underneath the plywood. So this is how it looks. And I'll pull the seat back a little at night. And see, in this, I would be able to get in here and put stuff. So at night I just close it. We're gonna put another 2x4 here on the console. We're gonna also carpet it too, so it doesn't mess up the console. So this is what it looks like. And so when I'm driving, I'm just gonna open it up so I can push my seats back. During the night when I'm gonna sleep camping, and I'll push it down. This total job was so easy, anyone can do it. Okay, so once we mount the bottom, I could still put a table down here, and then maybe the folding chairs on the sides, and then this would be the actual bed. So that next morning, I made reservations to Lake Dixon. The drive from LA to Lake Dixon is about an hour and 55 minutes. This time, I was so excited to get there as soon as possible. The city stocks the Lake Dixon different types of fish throughout the year, including bass, bluegill, carp, catfish, crappie, and trout. So couldn't wait to catch something. So guys, today I am camping at Dixon Lake, and I have to register at the concession, so I'm going to go do that. Hidden in the hills above Escondido is this beautiful lake in San Diego County. Camping here is for RVs, trailers, and tents. RVs and trailers are $50 per night, and some come with full hookups. The tent camping is $30 per night, and if you just want to come here for the day, it's $6 to come in. Everyone that comes here has to go and register. So all campers that are registered have to go here to Lake Shore, the picnic area. Oh wow, there's another car like mine. Guys, be aware you can bring your pets here, but if you bring a pet, they have to be 50 feet range away from the lake, and the rangers will give you a citation if you don't follow the rules. This is really cool. It's like a fishing station. You can wash your fish if you catch anything here. I'm gonna actually register. Okay, so I have my car pass, my site pass. I bought the license to fish. It's the permit, and that one is $9. And then the fishing bait is $5. So here you don't need the state license. All you need to do is buy the permit to fish at this lake. First, I'm gonna head out to see my site, and then I'm gonna go fishing right away. Number 5, I'm gonna check that out. I have been here a few times, but I don't remember. It's been a while now. Oh, so that's good. I have the bathroom over here. I'm actually close. They have showers here as well. So this one to the right is number 1. And let's see, this is just a really small loop. So I'm actually over here. So this is actually a pull through. So I have the water spigot right here. And then down here is my site. So that's where I parked my car, and then this is my site. To the far distance you could see a little bit, I don't know if you could see it, the lake. I wish they cut down some of those bushes. But that's pretty good. I like it. And this was the last one too. This was a last minute reservation. I did it this morning. Couple bees around, but not too bad. As soon as you get here, you're gonna put the your reservation paper on the clip. So I'm gonna go on the other side and put it on there. Also be aware they give you a second pass for a second vehicle for free. There we go, we're all set. That's a coyote. During the daytime, there's coyotes here. Look at that. He just crossed the road. Let me see if I can catch him. If you decide to camp here, make sure you do some research on your campsite. Some sites, the parking distance to your campsite could be a long ways to your picnic table. The bathrooms, pretty clean. And then it has showers. And you need tokens. The tokens, you can get it at the concession center. So guys, I brought 2 fishing poles this time. Look at this lake. It's really beautiful here. There's hardly any people here, even though the campsites are completely full. So I got this one here, and then I got another one over on this side. So we're gonna try both sides. Guys, I caught one. Look at this. Look at that. I have my fan out there, my clothes, my power bank, and I'm gonna be good here. And this is so I don't have to take the trailer, and I just want to go fishing one day and not take, you know, everything with me. I can just sleep out here. Right underneath, when I made the platform, I have my table. Underneath that I can pull out. Park is closing, so what time is it? It's almost 7, and there's no more fishing out there. So this is my setup, guys. Got my little table. I'll walk around. So I actually set it up here, instead of going down there. There's no way I'm gonna haul all my stuff, especially that canopy, all the way down there. So I left it up here. I'm making some barbecue, And I have some pasta salad that I bought. Okay, dinner is served. So the meat is ready. And I have some pasta here I'm gonna serve. And I'm gonna eat. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I slept really good last night. It did get a little chilly, and the rangers actually came by several times throughout the night to check on everyone to see if, so they do their rounds. So I had a great time sleeping here. I wish I had an extra blanket so that, you know, when it got chilly, but overall this is a great campground. There's no bugs or anything like that. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and start packing, and I'll see you next time. Let me show you some of the sites so that you have an idea what they look like and the views. Look at the view. Let's see what's on the other side, so what the other campers would actually see. Next, I'll drive around a little bit to show you some of the other campsites. The city is right outside the campground, but it still feels you're in nature. Highly recommend this place. Just to let you know, the concession stand also rents out small motor boats for an hour for a quick lap around the lake. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate every single one of you, and if you decide to come here, I really recommend this place. It is so much fun. There's lots to do here for the whole family, and the campground is clean and well maintained.